Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2008 Range Rover Sport HSE. It's a Java black with a light beige tan interior. The body is exceptional. It's not dinged up at all. The paint is beautiful. It's original paint. There's no door dings. Has brand new all-season tires. We also installed a brand new air suspension compressor. Those don't last forever, and this one needed replacing, so that's brand new. On the inside, this has the luxury package. Gives you deluxe leather, very, very soft, and it's in great condition. On a 2008 model, you get the tilt and telescoping steering wheel. Earlier models did not have that. You have a power moonroof, rain sensing wipers. You have a heated glass. Actually has built-in very tiny lines that will help defrost it. Power side mirrors, they'll fold in automatically. On the driver's side, you have a 3-position memory for the power seat. All the seats are heated, front and rear. Here's a look at the rear compartment. This vehicle does not look like it was used by a family. The wood grain is awesome. Beautiful Zebrano wood, dark Zebrano. Has front and rear parking sensors. Split tailgate. You can open half of it for small packages, or you can open the whole thing when needed. That's the plate frame vibrating. Beautiful body condition. Just like it came out of the factory. Here's another look at the wood grain. That's real wood. Harman Kardon sound system. There's a power seat on this side. This has factory navigation, automatic climate control, has active air suspension. You can lower it and raise it as needed, or set it for different road conditions. Xenon headlights, super smooth V8 engine, fully detailed and ready for your daily enjoyment. Thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you.